Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss MCQs based on Python revision tour of class 12th. Question number 1 is the process of removing errors from programs is called. It will be debugging. The errors are called bugs and to remove it is debugging. Answer will be option C. In question number 2, which of the following error may encounter in program of Python? As we know, there are three types of errors: syntax error, logical error and runtime error. Answer will be all of the above, which is option D. In question number 3, Himanshu is writing a program of printing hello world, but he forgot to close the bracket of print function. The syntax of print function is print open and close bracket. Here the error will be syntax error, which is option A. In question number 4, dash produces an undesired output without termination of the program. Here the answer will be logical error. In logical error, we will get undesired output. In question number 5, Pranay wants to find the average of two numbers. He writes the code as 10 plus 12 by 2. In this case, the answer will be 16.0. But to calculate the average, we should write within bracket 10 plus 12 and outside the bracket, we should write /2. Here the code will run successfully, but the output will be incorrect. Answer will be option B, logical error. Now we'll execute the same code in Python. 10 plus 12 by 2. According to BODMAS rule, the division will be executed first, then the addition. Here 12 by 2 will be calculated first, then 10 will be added. Answer will be 16.0. And in second case, first 10 and 12 will be added, then it will be divided by 2. Answer will be 11.0. Question number 6 is dash error causes abnormal termination of program while it is executing. The answer will be a runtime error, which is option C. In question number 7, which of the following statement return runtime error? The answer will be option A, divide any number by 0. If we will divide any number by 0, zero division error will occur. Now let us see in Python zero division error. If we will divide 9 by 0, then we will get zero division error, division by 0. Question number 8 is errors in program is also called bug. Answer will be option B. Question number 9 is IDLE stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment, which is option B. To initialize multiple values, we can write A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 85. Answer will be option A. In question number 11, which of the following statement is correct syntactically? First of all, print should be in small letters and the print statement should be followed by opening and should be end by parenthesis. In option A, there is a comparison operator double is equal to, for this it will be discarded. In option D, closing parenthesis is not there, it will be discarded. In option C, print starts with capital P, it will also be discarded. Answer will be option B, print hello, Python is equal to programming, comma end, and there is a closing parenthesis at last. In question number 12, print true and false but T is in small letter. There will be error. Answer will be option C. Let us execute it in Python. Here we are getting name error because T should be in capital letter. In question number 13, write the output of the following. Here the inside parenthesis will be executed. First, 5 or 0 will give 5. Here 5 has true value and 5 will be returned. 3 and 5 will return 5. Now we'll execute the same thing in Python. Print 3 and within bracket 5 or 0. As you know, 5 or 0 will give 5 and 3 and 5 will give 5. Answer will be option B. In question number 14, write the output of the following. Print true and within bracket true or false. As we know, true or false will give true and true will give true. Answer will be option A, which is true. In question number 15, write the output of the following code. Print 15 floor division 2 double star 2. Again star A. Here 2 to the power of 2 will give 4. 15 floor division 4 will give 3. 3 star A will give triple A because star A is the replication operator. Now let us execute the same syntax in Python. Here we will get triple A as the result. 15 floor division 2 to the power of 2 will give 3. 3 star A will give 3 times A. The answer will be option C, which is triple A. In question number 16, write the output of the following. Here 2 double slash 9 to the power of 2 will give 0. 23 plus 7 will give 30. Answer will be option C. In question number 17, which of the following is a mutable data type? As we all know, list is a mutable data type. Answer will be option C. In question number 18, norm1 is equal to 7, norm2 is equal to 2, norm1 double slash is equal to norm2 will give 2 because 7 floor division 3 will give 2. The answer will be option C. Now we'll execute the same code in Python. Norm1 is equal to 7, norm2 is equal to 3, norm1 double slash is equal to norm2, 7 floor division 3 which will give integer part of the quotient, which is 2 in this case. Now num1 will give 2. In question number 19, write the output of the following. A is equal to India, A star 3 will give India 3 times because star is the replication operator which will replicate a particular string. In this case, the string is India. Answer will be option A, which is 3 times India. Let us execute this in Python. A is equal to India, A star 3 will give India, India, India. In question number 20, which of the following is invalid logical operator? As we know, not, or, and are the logical operator. Here XOR is not logical operator. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.